Isn't it interesting if I can just tell you to edit a template and you can upload somewhere and you can easily earn money? Isn't it? Of course, right? So there is Canva, I think you have heard. By Canva, how you can easily earn money and how Canva will allow you to sell the content easily. You can earn money. Yeah, of course, you can sell them. This Canva will 100% tell you how. I am going to tell you first of all proof that how you can do that, of course. So one by one, I'm going to tell you everything that how you can do that. And the main important thing is, okay, you created this one. Now how and where we should sell? This is a question, right? Most of the time we have things that we are creating and we found it, but we don't know really how to sell and where to share, right? And where to sell and where to share. This is a very important thing. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can easily upload somewhere and what are those websites where you can easily gain your good customers, clients to sell them. This is what I really studied, and I have been thinking. It's been 15 days that I have been thinking to tell you about that, but I was just got busy somewhere. So this is why today is Saturday and I'm free, and today I'm going to tell you step by step all knowledge that how you could do. First of all, let's talk quickly about Canva. What is Canva and how you can use them and how you can create them, how Canva will allow you to earn money. Well, Canva is a platform where you can easily create your thumbnail, post, Instagram post, Facebook, thumbnail, whatever you want you can do. Even though you can create many cover page, many book cover, whatever you want to. But there is important thing is that there are two kind of version, free version and paid version. But I am not going to talk about paid version. I'm just giving you free of cost. Everything I provide always free of cost. I think you remember on my channel. So even it's paid, but how you can earn money from free of cost. Free things you can upload, you can earn money. This is what I think I'm just going to tell you in this video. So simply, you have to install Canva. I mean, you don't need to install application, of course. You can go to website and search Canva. Otherwise, you have a link below description. You must click that link. You will get a little benefit maybe. And because of it will be my benefit too. Because that would be my referral link if you would like to. And secondly, I would like to add you Canva. There is a page. If you see how Canva will allow you to use free of cost. If you see this page simply, so Canva is 100% allowing you to sell their content in these 4 conditions you can see. And last one is reselling. I think you can understand reselling. You can read that also. But the 4th thing, if you can understand easily, in that way you can easily, Canva is allowing you to sell their content. Even you are going to do little creative things, like you have to add something or own design. Like it's not like that you just took a Canva template and you can upload somewhere and you earn money. It is not exactly like that. If you're thinking like that, so no. You have to put a little bit of your creativity. You have to change a little bit in different way. For example, habit, schedule, weekly schedule. This kind of things. There are more. You can see this one on the screen. There are many kind of things. You can create these things. It will take approximately 10 minutes, 20 minutes to create. If you create at least 10 you have to create first of all. And I'm going to tell you where do you have or where should you upload these 10 to create your own online shop. I'm telling you exactly how you can create your own online store, like e-commerce, for example, on Alibaba, on Amazon. This kind of you will have on your store where people can visit free of cost. You can create that, and you can upload your at first to creating your new store, e-commerce store. You must have 8 products. So 8 products you have to create, 8 or 10 at least, like 10 different and with about weekly, monthly schedule and child dictionary, like pictures with names. Of course, many people they can purchase, okay? And to-do list we have also there. Sticky notes, you can do such kind of things, and you can easily you can do time. One is PDF. You can do it easily PDF, and how you can do PDF in this Canva. You have a PDF for free of course. Secondly, you can go on JPD, whatever. You have a lot of things. All right. Okay, relax. Okay. Now Next thing what you have to do, if you have already created these things, if you know already Canva and you have created these 10 things, now what is the next process? Where do I have to sell? This is a problem. Most of people, they don't know. They have 50% knowledge and 50% they don't have knowledge. So in this 50% knowledge, what we are going to do, 50% knowledge you are going to ask me on this video. Okay, all right. So there is first of Esty. First of all, Esty, you have created 10. Okay, and after these 10, you are going to upload these 10 on this Esty. And how you can create easily? You can create easily your stall. You have to simply sign up Esty. And if you don't know how to do, I am going to create a video. Just comment below. I can create a store for you and I will record a video. I have to create, of course, and I have to record video for you. You can easily understand how to create Esty account, right? All right. Then next, in addition, I would like to add for you. You have to add their subtitles. You have to add thumbnail. You have to add like little bit same like a YouTube video. But there, if anyone can purchase, you can easily earn money. There is not like that you will have a physical. People will purchase a digital product. Digital product means they will pay you and they will download your sheet, a PDF sheet, and they will print their by self and they can add their house. So suppose you have a child memory, a child like vocabulary, they will have to simply print them and they can easily help that child to remember apple before book, like something like that. This is what I think they are exactly doing. And if you have a to-do list that I told you, they will also print them, but they will purchase from you as a digital product. Yeah, digital products is very famous. This is a really interesting thing. And now after Esty, you can easily create Esty. After Esty, you have to go for Freepink. You have to go on Freepink. What you have to do on Freepink? Freepink, you have to create your own account easily. You have to also upload at least 5 to 10 product, but it's not like that. Whatever you want, even you have pictures, you are interested with photography, you have to take nature picture, but 100% would be authentic. But as is allowing you do this, it is 100% you own. It has you can easily create on Canva and upload Freepink also. This is the second Freepink. Okay, so Esty and then Freepink. Freepink is really interesting. These two things I'm suggesting you in this video, you can easily do that. And I will be suggesting you 10 more digital product applications where you will upload about Esty, about Canvas, all things there too, of course. But I just would like to recommend you, don't really try to upload these two things, one thing to 2 times, as I believe. Maybe it couldn't be resell the same problem. If you uploaded this program, whatever you created 10 product, you uploaded on Esty, don't upload this same on Freepink, as I believe. So I'm not really sure, but I think you don't need to be resell something like that. Maybe they said the things they have already created, that one you don't need to do, or you uploaded that you created once, you don't upload that one. This should be a little bit doubt. But I would recommend you can create a little bit different. If you're uploading on Freepink, you can create 10 more, and you're uploading on Esty, you can 10 more. Suppose you can add a price $10, $5 per download, $6, $1, $2, and most of the time people are purchasing a lot. Once your business becomes better and better, you will earn the money. It's like a passive income. You can sleep and you will have a lot of money, right? This is what a really interesting thing. I really love that one. And this is little bit hard work you have to do at least. And after doing a little bit hard work, you are going to get that goal that you have. You can touch the sky. This is all detail that I wanted to tell you. And one more, and in conclusion, I would like to add for you. What you have to do, you have to simply message me or comment me below if you don't know how to use Canva, and if you don't know how to use Esty, and if you don't know how to use Freepink. These 3 things that I suggested you in this video, I am going to tell you step by step everything that how you can create, how you can sign up Canva, everything I'm going to tell you. If you really can't understand in English, we will be doing in Urdu language or Hindi language on our another technical channel that name is LK Teaches. So there is no worries. Always free of cost. My channel is 100% free for you. So you will get 100% free and authentic knowledge, and I hope you will enjoy always from us. If you really wanted to support me and you really wanted to get interesting things, please subscribe our channel. Please subscribe and like this button to getting a more interesting thing from us. I really love you guys, and I am going to meet you in our next video. So till then, please take care of yourself, and thanks a lot. Take care.